Understanding Seasoned Citizen, a friendly guide. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the interesting phrase, seasoned citizen. It's a term you might have come across in books, movies, or even in casual conversations. Our goal is to help you understand what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Let's dive in. The term, seasoned citizen, is a polite and respectful way to refer to an elderly person or a senior. The word, seasoned, is often used to describe something that has a lot of experience or has been through many seasons of life. So, when someone is called a seasoned citizen, it implies that they have a wealth of life experience, wisdom, and maturity. While the exact origin of the term is not clear, it's believed that seasoned citizen was created as a more positive and respectful alternative to terms like old or elderly. It's a part of a larger trend in language where we try to use words that highlight the positive aspects of aging, acknowledging the value and dignity of older individuals. When using the term seasoned citizen, it's important to do so respectfully and in the right context. Here are some examples of how you can use it. 1. In admiration. My grandfather is a true seasoned citizen, with so many fascinating stories from his youth. 2. In support services. Our community center offers programs tailored for seasoned citizens, focusing on their health and social engagement. 3. In discussing age diversity. Our workplace values diversity, including having seasoned citizens and younger employees working together. It's crucial to remember that while seasoned citizen is generally seen as a respectful term, the most important aspect is how you respect and value the individual. Different cultures and individuals have their own preferences for how they wish to be addressed. When in doubt, it's always best to ask someone how they prefer to be referred to. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the term seasoned citizen and how you can use it thoughtfully in your conversations. Remember, language is powerful, and using it with respect and consideration can make our interactions more meaningful and inclusive. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.